Right now, our governance sentiment score sits at an impressive plus 0.72, with momentum at plus 0.25. This spike is significant. It indicates a sudden shift in sentiment that hasn't been seen in recent history, suggesting a growing optimism around governance-related developments. With 20 distinct semantic clusters, you can dive deeper into this sentiment and understand the nuances behind the numbers. When you call our API, you'll receive a comprehensive sentiment analysis that includes the score, momentum, and detailed clusters, all tailored to your needs. For instance, if you're working on a governance dashboard, this data can help you pinpoint when to engage with your audience or adjust your strategy based on real-time sentiment shifts. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lol/enterprise docs.